Hello to everyone. I'm Esteban, and I've been working on what is now EOS EVM for, I think it's close to a year. I'm, of course, very happy to hear that we finally have a launch date. I'm probably one of the happiest persons in the world when I heard, okay, we finally have a launch date. So I think it was like close to a year when I first heard about what it was. Back then, it was Trust EVM. I was just like surfing Twitter and just checking out things, and I was like came across the news, and I remember one of the first things I did when I got curious about the Trust EVM. It was like somehow I ended up hearing this Fireside Chat. It was actually a YouTube recording of it, and you guys were discussing Soulbound tokens, and that was really cool because I know one of the teams in the community. It's actually built a Soulbound platform, so they're doing a great job, and just really happy to see that that's happening. So we deployed Trust Swap, right? And this is a clone of a fork of Uniswap. And I tested some simple contracts, but then I said, okay, I need to test just something, a bit more, will give me a better sense how things work. So I tested deploying this Uniswap fork. I was blown away of how fast it was, because when you have these really fast blocks, you completely change the user experience. I mean, just try going to Ethereum and testing those 15-second blocks and trying to swap super high fees on Uniswap, and then just try the 5 seconds testnet, and you're like, you don't want to use Ethereum. And then a month ago we had this new testnet, and then again you guys changed things and made it even faster. 1 second block. I was like, wow, this makes it even better. So we love the new testnet, and it works really well. And we're seeing new projects join. So we like to welcome DeFiBox. I know they're like the big DeFi community or solution on EOS, and we're following their footsteps. And we really welcome them. I hope we can collaborate with them. There's lots of projects inside an ecosystem can collaborate. And I think there's going to be a reign of biblical proportions of other projects just joining the EOS EVM, right? Biblical proportions reign.